Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do a 10-minute beach wave tutorial, how I have it in my hair. This is how I always do it and it's like soft, so let's get started. You can part your hair either to the left, right, or the middle like how I will be. It's all up to your preference. After I'm done parting her hair in the middle, I comb the hair out and will be showing you the curling iron I am using. It is a 1.5 inch. Here I will be parting her hair in a vertical angle, then combing the top part and clipping it away. Make sure that the clamp should be facing forward. Once you clip in the hair, rotate it around and hold it there for 34 seconds. Then you will be twisting it out, curl the middle part next, and hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. Then what I do is pull the curling iron down. This way the ends are not curled and it's straight. It helps give it a softer look. Once you get to the top front part, what I like to do is hold the front piece towards the front of the face and curl it away. It creates a seamless face frame. You will be repeating the same steps and curl the top part 34 seconds, then twist it out and repeat it to the mid shaft area. Then pull the curling iron down to create that straight ends. Once you get to the other side, we will be doing the same thing, but make sure the clamp is facing forward when you curl the hair. For the back, you can part the hair in horizontal sections and curl the hair to opposite directions. This way, it makes up both ways. Okay, the best part now. Once the hair is cooled down, you can either use hairspray or hair oil. If you have fine hair that doesn't hold a curl for too long, use hairspray. I will be using hair oil. I put 2 pumps and blend it until it's fully saturated onto my hands. You can use a wide tooth comb or use your fingers like I am to break the curls apart. Don't be afraid, just comb it all out. So now that the curls are combed out, you can style it to your own preference.